Alright, so today we're going to be working on rebuilding a frost-free faucet. Alright, there's that piece. Looks like a very important bushing that goes somewhere, wrapped in paper. Better leave it wrapped in the paper. And then a rubber thingy. Don't know what that goes to. These two things there. That thing there. Another one of those little bushings. Alright. And then this bolt here, which is probably that bolt there. So, without further ado, let's take it apart. I was just barely on, wasn't it? Okay. Don't see anything special there. Those two go on just like that. On top of that. Okay. Now, this. That's a set bolt. Turn it sideways. Alright, that's off. Okay. Old stuff. Alright. Now let's take this off here. There we go. Alright, that bushing's out. Now what? We got that done. Should we take that off? I don't know if we have to or not. Down here. So down here on these frost-free yard spigots, here's where the water comes out. And see, this is filled in with mud. And which the water would probably still find a way to get out. But it's not... you're supposed to fill in all this area with a big rock, with a lot of rocks, just rocks, which allows because when you close that handle, it pushes off against the water, so the water can't come up anymore. But it opens this up, and all this water starts to drain out this little hole, and it'll even pull the water out of your garden hose. Once it gets to siphoning out, but this rubber foot valve goes in here. So we've got to take this off. And I'm assuming that these are a couple of bushings that probably go in here for a guide for that bar. So let me get my pipe wrenches and see if I can get that off there. I just went to get my pipe wrench, and look, these giant black ants have made a home in my four-wheeler. That was a bad decision. And it looks like they got in that back. How did they get in there? They're moving their eggs as fast as they can move them. That is so crazy. I don't even know how they got in there. Oh, it looks like they can go right underneath the lid. Yeah, okay. I see how they're doing it. Ooh, that probably means they're on the other side too. Wow. Those are some big black ants. Why did they decide to do that? Man. Wow. Okay. Well, let's look at the other side. I'm going to be honest, I kind of freaked out. I jumped when I opened that lid. They were all sitting there. Let's see what kind of, what do we got going on the other? Yep, there's more. Man alive. Wow. They're really not happy with my activities over here, are they? Man, they really don't need to. I don't know how they got in there. Or why. I don't know why they did it. That's really the... I think I have a pipe wrench in. I may not have a pipe wrench in here. Look at them fighting over that egg. That's weird, isn't it? That's some very large pupa. Look how big some of those ants are. Look at that one. These guys are huge. I've never seen these ants before on my place, ever. And here they are everywhere. Man. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave them alone for a while. I don't really want to deal with that right now. But man, they sure are in it, ain't they? Okay. Let me go see if where my other pipe wrenches are. Not there. Do I have one in here? I don't know what I've done with all of them. Not in there. I've got two. I don't think they put it on there. Oh, it looks like they got gold on it. That's good. I think it's handy now. Yep, it's handy. Is there more to this than what I'm thinking? Nope. Alright. Well, that's the faucet. Alright. You see, that's threaded. So that means that this is threaded. But I don't know if it's going to let me do that. I gotta get it out of there. Let's see if we can push it out. Okay, let's think about this for a second. Trying to do it too fast. Right now? Yeah. Let's try that. That helps. Moving the whole thing. Yes. There we go. Got it. Okay. So inside there looks pretty good. Looks pretty good in there. But this needs to come off, and I bet it don't come willingly. Get this. Got that. Right there. It's not gonna want to hold. Let's see. Okay, it's coming out. Okay. Holding off. Now, it was wearing right here, had a little chink in it. See, I grabbed it right here. So it was wearing a little bit. So, let's see where we're at now. Got my stem. You know, I've taken this thing apart. And I didn't see these bushings in anything. No, not in anything. It's very strange. Let's see what the instructions say about it. See, water drains out here into gravel. All right, where's these bushings at? Number 9? Graphite packing? I don't know. So that's graphite. Okay. Well, that's pretty neat. So that's graphite, like what's in a pencil. Yeah, it feels like what's soft. So it doesn't go here. Is there another packing nut? So does it? Okay. Well, let's do this then. Let's take that head off of the. It may be in there. But real quick, what I'm going to do. Let's take notice of something. This is rusty, and this is the bottom. This is rusty, and it's the bottom. Okay. And that is not rusty. This is the top. try and get better better bite. There you go. Okay. Hit that. There we go. It's handy now. It is. Okay. All right. Well, there you go. Okay. So right in here, right there is that graphite packing. I found it. It's right there. Got to get it out of there. Might be a good use of these. Let's see. Maybe. Oh wow. Yeah, that's definitely graphite. Wow, look at it. It's just peeling out. Makes you wonder. Look at it. Can you see that? I hope you can. Because it is good. Very soft metal. All this stuff is still good here. Pipe dope. I don't know. There we go. Is it any good? Oh, it doesn't look like it's any good. I'm not ready to give up on it. All right. We're back in business. Okay. Get my wire brush. Clean the threads. I'm just cleaning these threads. They got a little rust on them. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. This is where you come in with your water pipe. This has to go in here. It has to go on here. And let's put because we don't want that seizing up. Okay. Oh, and there's a little bit clogged. Let's see if we can open it up. Yep. Okay. So it's pretty neat the way this works. So in here, so this is in the pipe, and this is where your water pipe comes in from your supply. Well, when you've got it in the off position, the rubber, see if we can, I really need some. Oh. Okay. All right. So right here in the off position, this hole is open, and water, I don't know if you can see it or not, but water will run right out of that little hole out here into your gravel. But then when it's on, it's like this, where it's blocked this hole. Water is coming in here, going around through these tubes right here, coming out. It's going around that rubber. I thought that's kind of interesting. Through the metal. That's neat. All right. For now, let's leave it in the off position. All right. So there's that. Now, let's clean the threads up on this end here. This is the bottom. Get a little bit of this on there. That pipe dope's the only reason we got that stuff apart the first time. It was on there. Otherwise it would have been seized completely up. So we know that this goes in here. Okay. It needs to be tight. That'll work. Alright. Now for this end of it. There we go. Okay. I got it started. That's all it's going to take. Alright. Let's see if we can clean those threads up a little bit. They don't look bad, but it's not going to hurt. Okay. Let's get this tight. Probably going to be good. Okay. Now, oh, I need the new one. New one. This must be an extra graphite seal, but that one worked. So right now that graphite is squeezing around the stem, mashing into those threads. That I just got through cleaning out and creating a tight seal. That right there is probably tight enough, would be my guess. Now, time for this new brass piece. Probably better leave that loose for now. Okay. So I've got these on here. Got my new brass piece on. Got these on here. Like that. Put the handle on. Okay. And then the new bolt. Where's the new bolt at? Well, is that it right there? There it is. New bolt. Now, let's cinch this down and make sure we got it shut all the way. Alright, that's shut all the way right there. That's open. That's closed. Alright. Let's see if we can see the operation down here and make sure. Alright. chimes. Let's check the seat on this. Graphite seal. Okay, that's still good and tight. Okay. We're gonna call that good. Alright. So that's how you rebuild that. This is a Clayton Mark frost-free faucet. It looks to be about a 48-inch long tube. And we rebuilt it. It should work fine now. So, yeah, if you like this video, you know what